Imagine this basketball is Earth. Every ocean, every forest, every person you've ever known, all of it right here. This ball is home to nearly 8 billion people, but in the universe, it's just the beginning. Now let's add the moon. If Earth were this basketball, the moon would shrink down to the size of a tennis ball. But here's the surprise. On this scale, the moon wouldn't be right next to Earth. It would be 24 feet away, about the length of a school bus. Next, the sun. Compared to our basketball Earth, the sun would be the size of a 24-story building. That's more than 200 feet tall. And just to give you an idea, about 1.3 million basketball Earths could fit inside the sun. And the distance between Earth and the sun, on this scale, Earth's basketball would need to be about 2 miles away from the building-sized sun. That's like standing at one end of a city and the sun towering over the other end. Space is emptier than you think. Let's look at the other planets. Tiny Mercury would be a golf ball. Venus, almost Earth's twin, would be another basketball. Mars shrinks down to a baseball, and giant Jupiter, that one becomes a beach ball, the biggest in our solar system. Saturn would also be a beach ball, but with massive rings stretching hundreds of thousands of miles wide. Even if Saturn itself could fit inside a sports stadium, its rings would extend far beyond the parking lot. All of this, the basketball Earth, the tennis ball Moon, the beach ball Jupiter, still orbits around that building-sized sun. Our entire solar system is tiny compared to the vastness beyond. If the whole solar system were shrunk to the size of a quarter, then the Milky Way galaxy would stretch across the entire United States. That's how small our neighborhood really is. And remember, the Milky Way is just one galaxy out of trillions. Every bright spot you see in this image, that's not a star. It's an entire galaxy filled with billions of suns and billions of basketball Earths that might exist out there. So the next time life feels overwhelming, just remember, you live on a tiny basketball, spinning in the dark, orbiting a giant burning star inside one galaxy among trillions. And yet on this little ball, you get to exist, to love, to create, and to dream. This basketball is more than just Earth. It's your home, and it's the only one we have. For now.